Welcome to Dreamwork Company, empowering Africans' digital future. Hey, I am Abba Yayu, founder and CEO of Dreamwork Company, creative tech venture, empowering individuals and business through digital education and smart business solution. We enable the next digital generation by transforming learners into earners and helping the business thrive to business. Dreamwork is bridging digital drivers, which is the key challenge we face: limited digital skills and lack of digital business solutions. So we will fix our solution is bridge the gap between the digital skills and digital business solution for the business and the skill seekers. Our practical course is website development, digital marketing, graphics design, video editing, and other digital courses, and also solution for businesses, all enterprise, small scale up to large scale businesses from the digital solutions with an affordable price and cost effective ways, and also unlocking African digital economy potentials that is over than 70% of small scale remain offline. This is large untapped market for Dreamwork company. This opportunity. So the goal is catalyze economic development in enterprise